Okay, today we're making this view with this fabric. We have it cut out. So let's get right to it. Patterns away. Yes, it's coming together real quick here. You're gonna get to see the beauty of this in a minute. Yep. Seems we can't use music too much in our videos anymore. YouTube doesn't want to pay those creators who made the video music for us. They don't want to pay them anymore, so I can't run any music on here. So y'all just connect with each other, have a little friendly chat in the chat, and this will be ready in no time at all. I'm just sewing up the sides, leaving a space for the vent at the hip. Coming together real nicely. I'm going to love it when I'm done. Yeah. Now, I know some of you may be saying, she making that sleeveless thing. What are we going to do with that? Let me tell you something. Summer's coming again. And if you don't think so, then come to Florida, because we have summer all year round. That's all I can tell you. And if not, then, you know, there's places like Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands, even some places in South America where you can have summer all year round. You can wear this if you want. I'm just hemming the armhole. Back tack. And my machine cuts the thread for me. And so that's all nice and neat. I clipped my underarm seam, give it a little tug. It didn't pop. So yeah, just give it a little tug. It didn't pop. I got the underarm, those armhole hemmed, and now I'll do the other one. And then we'll put the facings and come back with the modeling.